What's up, glow getters? Bye Bye Brielle is all in on the Breville Juice Fountain Elite 2025's Amazon Juicer Star. This 1,000-watt beast with a 3-inch shoot juices whole fruits and veggies fast, perfect for post-workout vibes. 2 speeds, low for berries, high for celery, and a titanium disc with micro mesh filter give you vibrant, nutrient-packed juice. The 1-liter pitcher keeps it foam-free and cleanup's a breeze with dishwasher-safe parts. Pros: max nutrients, quick prep, and durable. Cons: loud on high, bulky for small spaces, and costs a bit. It's a wellness must. See the full review on Bye Bye Brielle. Snag it with the link in the description for the best deal from Bye Bye Brielle. Like, share, subscribe, keep glowing.